Experiencing issues activating your Spectrum Mobile service? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems with SIM and eSIM activation. First, ensure your device is compatible with Spectrum Mobile. You can check this on their website or app. If using a physical SIM, make sure it's properly inserted into the SIM tray. For eSIM users, confirm you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and disable any VPNs. Common errors include SIM not recognized, often due to a dirty SIM slot or incompatible device. Try cleaning the SIM slot with compressed air or checking Spectrum's supported device list. If you see eSIM download fails, it's likely a network issue. Try toggling airplane mode or restarting your device. For persistent activation pending loop errors, give it 30 to 60 minutes as it could be server-side delays. Force refresh the Spectrum mobile app. Still struggling with Spectrum mobile activation? Let's explore some advanced fixes to get you connected. First, ensure your phone is unlocked if required. Use a service like DrSIM to unlock your device before attempting activation. Double-check your device's software is up to date. Many activation issues are resolved with the latest updates, such as iOS 18.1 or Android 15. If all else fails, manually configure your APN settings. Spectrum's APN is vMMS and data. As of late 2025, Spectrum Mobile is pushing for eSIM adoption and AI-driven troubleshooting to make activations smoother. Expect more zero-touch activations and biometric verification in the future, potentially eliminating SIMs entirely. In rural areas, poor Verizon signal can cause failures. Consider using a hotspot for activation. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support at 1-888-573-9432. Remember, activation success rates are improving thanks to AI upgrades and better integration with Verizon's infrastructure, but user education remains crucial.